Hi everybody and welcome to these tutorials on style sheets and how to incorporate the box model within a web page. Okay, what I've done is I've got two documents set up. I've got a HTML document set up called example, and within that HTML document I have got a link to a style sheet called style.css obviously, and I've just got within the body of the HTML document I've just got a simple div tag, and within that div tag I've got a heading which says small box model, and I've got some text which says simple example of the box model. Okay, and if we look at the web page, very basic, just a bit of text within a page, nothing fancy at all. Now if I go to the style sheet, you'll see that small box is the custom class I've got set up, and that custom class is set up to have a width of 70%, a border of 10 pixels, sorry not percent, pixels, a margin of 10 pixels, a padding of 10 pixels, and the border is also set up to be solid, and the colour is #00000, which is the hexadecimal for black basically. Okay, it's important that you understand the syntax, so don't forget your open and close curly brackets, your semicolon, your colon, and your semicolon at the end of each set of properties and values. Okay, now you'll notice that in the page I haven't got a box appearing, I haven't got any box model applied to it yet. If we go back to the HTML document, I need to define within this div tag that the custom class small box needs to be applied to the div tag. Okay, so in other words, anything that's highlighted between the opening div tag and the closing div tag, which are these two lines, will be affected by this custom class small box. So within the div tag, the property is class equals, open our quotes, the name of our custom class is small box, close our quotes, we save that, go back into our browser, refresh it, and now the actual text has appeared within the box model itself. Okay, so what you need to do is I would copy those two documents down as they are, so exactly as it's written there. Exactly as it's written there. You can pause the video obviously, and then save and make sure they're in the same directory, because this is linking into the same directory. That the style sheet needs to be in the same directory as your web page. File save, have a look at them, see how that works, and then have a little play around with the properties of the style sheet. For example, change the border to 100 pixels, save it, go back to your web browser, refresh it, make sure you're comfortable with how everything works, and then make an attempt at the task sheet on Blackboard. Okay, hope that's helpful, and I'm sure that Tim and Paul will be helpful and be able to answer any questions. Okay, thank you very much.